What's up, guys? Mean Swedish guy here again, coming at you with yet another video. I said I was gonna open one per week, but I thought that why not open one more and upload it this very week? 3 videos in one week. Good start, I would say. I'm gonna open a Tapu Koko pin collector box. So, I mean, let's go, right? We did the Zygarde. It was a very nice one. I don't remember the pulls we got. I do remember that the promo card was very crooked. Kinda disturbing, but not much to do. And as you can see, I have a different camera angle until I can get my tripod that I've ordered. And maybe I also ordered a mobile stand or to hold my cell phone to see whether it's gonna be good. I have a lot of stuff in the making. Hopefully it's gonna be turning out pretty alright. Dude, I actually forgot my sleeves. Hold on for 1 second. And as you can imagine, I am using the penny sleeves, the standard basic sleeves. I managed to get a hold of some top loaders as well, if we need them. I don't think that we would need them. We have been pretty lucky with the openings so far. I mean, first opening we pulled Charizard, which is weird. I'm gonna put this one over here so you can see it. We have the promo card Tapu Koko. Nice, nice. Blackstar promo. We like that. Now this is a scuffed setup, like I said. It always has been, always will be. Let's do. We have Guardians Rising, Steam Siege, and another Guardians Rising. So I'm thinking, let's do them. One Guardian, one Steam Siege, and finally we end with the Guardians Rising. Wait, I'm actually stupid. Here you have the card. I have reversed the camera, so I hold it like this instead of like this. Feel me? I have inverted the camera. It's vertical now. I have been asked to keep the packs in such like the best condition I ever can. My girlfriend is she has something in the making. Green card. No big surprise there. Three. Let's do 4. I don't really care if we spoil it. It's a green card. We did not spoil. Energy. Alamola. Be gone. Enhanced hammer. Vanillish. Alolan Sandshrew. Kinda nice art actually. The camera is still not focusing, but I mean it is what it is, right? Botany. Bellsprout. Gligar. Alolan Geodude. Let's find the reverse and Lunala non-holo. I mean, what can you expect from a green card, right? See, let's put them over here for now. And yes, you know it. I'm gonna sleeve them later. Let's go on with the Steam Siege. Oh, and I ripped it. Didn't I just say that I'm gonna keep these in as good condition as possible? I guess I messed up. And I can blame, you know, I can just tell her that the dog ate it. Even though I don't have a dog. Green card. Okay. Not too good. 4, I guess. No, we didn't. It wasn't 4, but we got a Gastrodon rare non-holo and what's this? Monferno reverse. Okay. We can go through Tangrowth, Fletch Finder. What? Oh no, do you see this? You probably can't because my camera is not focused. Let me check these ones out. Nope. Oh, I'm so sad that this is not the rare card. Oh my god. Okay, first of all, the centering is kinda or really bad. We got a Nidoran that's is pretty standard, right? Let's put this one over there. I don't know if you can see this. But when it was sealed, they managed to damage the card. I have seen this on streams, and I haven't seen it for myself. We have a Meowth, a Hoppip, and a Nosepass. Nosepass has a little bit of damage on it. Oh, wait, there's the camera. You can barely see it. Very, very hard to see. Meowth also has some damage. Focus. Anyways. And the Hoppip is also damaged, but the Drifblim, god damn that name. Who came up with that? Pokemon, please. This is actually the card with the most damage to it. Interesting. Okay, we are moving on. These 3 I will keep separate because that's actually kind of cool. Last pack, Guardians Rising. Are we gonna get 3 green cards in a row? I hope not. That would make this opening very depressing. We actually got 3 green cards in a row. Where did I put the packs? There I put them. I have for you. Wait, yeah, actually. Card. With a code on. 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. And when I count like that, all I can think about is that song from Sia. It's not a sign, unfortunately. Sableye. Okay, there we go. We got a Max Potion. A Lowland Graveler. A Nosepass. Big old nose. Wimpod. Umi. Whalmer. Beldum. Huh? Clefable, reverse. And Ori Choreo. Rare non-holo. What's up with these names? Pokemon, come on, just don't. Okay, this was a depressing box. And because of that, I am gonna open an Alolan Raichu as well. But that will be in a separate video. Make sure to check out this channel in about 6 days. 23rd of December, I will open these boxes. I have ordered a few, so I'm gonna open at least 2. And hopefully we can pull something good. Until then, take a look at this one more time. I think this is kind of rare actually. That it's getting ruined, you know, when they're sealing the packs like this. Well, until then, please leave a like, subscribe, and leave a comment. And I will see you in the next video. I'm gonna wait for a few seconds because then I hit 10 minutes and that's now. Bye bye.